Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm taking you on a point of view drive with the all new Peugeot 308. So this is the new generation model. As you can see, it's got the completely new look. We have this beautiful Vertigo blue color today and the GT, that's the package. So there are three packages available. This is the top of the line. We also have the new badge, so this is the first model with the all new badge, which I really love. Let me show you the side profile. 4 meters 37 is the length, 11 centimeters longer than its predecessor. We have a beautiful 18-inch wheels. Let me show you the Mimic here at the back. Gorgeous, and really the attention to detail is just amazing on this vehicle. We have a hybrid, as you can see here, and yeah, well, now without further ado, let's take this thing for a spin. And this is the lovely layout in front of us. Let's start the car. And we have a hybrid system active. Unfortunately, I don't have the battery. You can watch my night point of view drive there. I drove with full battery. But yeah, today I already used the whole battery. Speaking about the battery, this car has an EV range of up to 58 kilometers by WLTP cycle. And this is the layout. I think without further ado, we are ready to roll. Gear selector, the minimalistic one, I'll put it to drive, and we can now go. And as I said, I mean, the details here are just amazing. So we have the i-cockpit, which has the 3D info here, and you can, I mean, you can see it with your eye, but I think the camera does not catch it that well. And the i-cockpit is standard, and the GT versions and packages actually get the 3D i-cockpit. Main touchscreen is here. We have the panel here, which is also digital, and you can configure the gadgets here and fidgets actually. So it's really, you know, a nice place to be. In front of the driver, you can also change the view. So there are 5 options, and you configure those options yourself. So that's the coolest part. And in order for that to be possible, you need to be stationary, so to configure what you want to see. But you can change the views by just pressing this button here. And as you can see by the looks of the people around us, the car is very popular. Okay, he is letting us go. So yeah, especially in this color, and there are other colors available as well. Olivine green is also a nice color, which is actually standard here in Croatia, and that color is really gorgeous. So I think it will be popular as well. So yeah, I was telling about the i-cockpit views. Here, for example, if we press the navigation, let's recenter, and you see here we have the lovely 3D shape of the buildings. You will see the National Theatre in a moment, and the energy flow is here, you see. But if we did have the battery, then you would have the dots on the floor as well. So look at the buildings. Now on our left we see it. Let's recenter. And we can also change the ambient light colors. So you go to customization, interior color, and now You can configure a bunch of options. Actually 8 colors are available. Purple, see it down there, here, and also on this side. I quite like the red one, but my favorite, if you follow the channel regularly, you will know that it's blue. So let's put the blue one and enjoy this relaxed drive. And once again, first starting here in the city of Zagreb and then going to the highway so that we see how it performs and the feeling inside at 100 kilometers per hour and also at 130. Now there's one cool thing about this car, that you can also do the plug-in hybrid, so you can do the e-save. Now e-save is the function that allows forced charging by the engine while consuming fuel, and I will actually turn it on. Let's put the energy flow here. And the layout here, really nice and unique. Cup holders, electronic parking brake, drive mode. This car has sport, hybrid and electric mode, and yeah, in order to be in electric mode you do need a bit more of a battery. Systems, advanced driver assist systems, functions and tutorials are here. We have the rear cross traffic alert, close obstacle detection, lane keeping assist, automatic braking system, traction control of course, speed limit, traffic sign and driver attention warning. Tell me in your comments, how do you like this layout? How do you like this drive so far? And speaking about the automatic, so this is the 8-speed automatic transmission with this cool minimalistic lever. Always love this sound of the indicators. We do have the blind spot assist. You see the orange dot warning us that the car was in our blind spot. Yeah, the clicking sound of the indicators, I find it really relaxing, and you see they are here when you turn them on. are now entering the highway. I will actually put the sport mode on. So let's see this. That was pretty fast. Let's go back to hybrid mode. 130. And now we have 100 kilometers per hour limit. Really relaxing in 8th gear. Back to 130 kilometers per hour limit, so let's accelerate. There we go. And now just cruising in 8th gear. Let me show you the lane assist. So I will go in this lane, but it's nicely keeping us in our lane. You can also use the cruise control. So let's put it to 130. There we go. And now let's see the braking for the car in front of us. You see, it's braking by itself. Now back to 130. This is really useful for longer journeys if you are on the road often. This feature is really good. And you see 130, really nice. You can cruise for hours like this. Now we have 100 kilometers limit, so let's slow down. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come. Tell me in the comments how do you like this car, and see you on the next video. And check out my full review and night point of view drive as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And let me also show you this view. So when you accelerate, you have more of this lime green color. Looks really cool. That would be my sport view, let's call it like that.